Hey guys, welcome to AI and Automation Express channel. In this video, we will go through the conditional operators in UiPath. So many times we need to use these operators and also or also, and we are confused like which one to use at which time. So in this video, I will quickly explain you what is the use of each of them and when you need to use it in your conditions. So first operator which we have is and also. So and also is the operator which is checking both of the condition which you put in the if. This is used to connect two or more logical conditions, checking like if condition 1 is true, then check for the condition 2. So if first condition is false, then it won't perform the second condition. So this is very useful when, for example, you have one table and in table you want to check like, okay, if table is populated and then it has a more than one row. So in that case, you can check like if your table is not nothing and also your table dot row count is greater than 0, then do this activity based on your requirement. So if that scenario is there, then you can use AND also. So in that case, if table is nothing, then it will not go ahead and check the second condition, which is table dot row count is greater than 0. So using this, our execution time is saving in this particular scenario and also. Now AND. So AND is used to connect two logical conditions, for example like condition 1 and condition 2. It will perform both of the condition. Even if the first condition is false, it will perform the second condition as well. So this particular operator you cannot use in the example which I given you previously, right? So if table is nothing, then its row count definitely is not greater than 0, right? So if you use in that case AND, then you will get a exception. So this condition you will only use when you want to check both of the things. So for example, if you have a employee table, right, and you want a name of all the employees which is from IT department and their salaries are greater than 1 lakh. So in that case, you can put this condition with AND operator, like where the department name is IT and the salary is greater than 1 lakh. So in those type of scenario, you can use AND condition. If you use AND condition in that type of scenario, then it is requirement. But wherever like it is not required to check both of the condition, if first condition is false, then second condition checking is not required, then you need to use AND also, right? The third one is or else. So just like AND also, or else is connecting two of the conditions or more condition, but if first or the second one is true, okay, that type of checking it will do. So if first condition is true, it won't perform the second condition, because automatically if one is true, then the whole statement is true because it's a or operation, right? So this will use when you have like either of the condition you want to perform. So for example, if you want to check like if employee is from IT department, admin department, or for example accounting department, then you want to perform certain things, right? Then you can put condition like, okay, if employee is equal is employee's department is equal to IT, or else department is equal to admin, or else department is equal to account. So if IT department employee will come, then we will not go ahead and check other two conditions where the different two departments we are checking. So in those type of scenario, you can use or else operator. In this also we are saving it our execution time, because it will not check all the conditions. And the last one is OR operator. So this operator is so this OR operator is used when you want to check either of the condition. So for example, first condition is if condition 1 or condition 2 is true, then perform this action. So in that type of scenario, you can use OR operator. It will perform the both condition, first and second. Even if the first is true, it will perform the second condition. So what is different between OR and OR else? In OR else, it will only perform the first condition, and if that is true, then it will not go for the second one. But here, even if first one is true, it will go for the second condition. So in this case, the time of execution will be increased. But in the scenario when you want to check both of the things, then you need to put this condition. So hope this will helpful for you guys. This is about all four operators, and also or and or also usage while you are performing a coding with UiPath or any of the programming language. Thanks for watching it. Thank you so much.